Okay, friends, these are all we need for the soup that I told you about. In this one, we're using chicken mix. We're using celery, parsley, zucchini, and all this, just like this. Remember, there's 1001 ways to make soup, even in winter and when it's not winter. So this is normal Israel food, Israel soup. So let me prep them first. You see the beautiful agents for the soup. This is celery, carrot, celery and parsley root, zucchini, celery and parsley seed. This is sweet potatoes. This is the chicken, the skinned tomato, and this chicken and the onion, chicken mix, and this is also cabbage. All these are what we need. So first we move. Big pot with water. Now that it's about to boil, we add the salt. Okay. We'll add the bowl of onion. We'll add the chicken. Okay. So friend, this is 2 spoons of soup powder. The soup powder. Now we'll put the celery and parsley seed. It's very strong. Wow, in their style of cooking, they add everything almost the same time. This is the pumpkin, the carrots, potato, everything. Orange. Now the root of celery. Okay, the color is always very beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Now put the zucchini. Okay, with the cabbage. Okay. So friends, they don't cook like us that wait for everything to be ready and put the vegetable last. Now they cook everything together. So now I put the celery and the parsley so that everything is cooking together. Wonderful. Wonderful. Friends, you see the difference? You see the beautifulness of us. It's so ready. As you see, it's ready now. It's so yummy, so beautiful. Very good indeed. Friends, to eat this soup that we prepared, here's couscous, a pack of couscous, and here I have a spoon of chicken mix or soup mix, then 2 spoons of olive oil, and then we're going to use 2 cups of boiled water to cook this couscous. So let's do it together. See the couscous, and this is the soup powder. 2 spoons of olive oil, and I add 2 cups of boiled water. So this is 2 cups of boiled water that we'll put on the stove. First, you see couscous, it actually cooks itself. All you have to do is do as I told you. Add your 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 spoon of chicken powder, 2 cups of boiled water, and then leave it. You don't have to ignite the stove. You don't have to cook it. Now it's ready by itself, you know. See, so it goes best with this soup, Israel people soup, you know. Yes, friends. So as you can see, it's very red. It sucks the water, the boiled water, and it's ready. This is couscous. Okay, friends, you see what I'm telling you? You see the couscous with the soup. Very, very delicious. See? The pieces of chicken. This is for you. This is for you, friends. Enjoy it. Thank you.